Mathematics Class 8.
Welcome back, dear students. Here we go with the second part of our chapter number 18, Construction. In this part, we are going to learn about construction of line segments and perpendicular bisectors of the line segments with the different methods. So here we go with a quick animation demonstrating all the methods.
Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect each other at right angles. Let's learn how to construct perpendicular lines using a ruler and a compass. First, let's see how to construct a perpendicular to a line L through a point P on it. Place the compass pointer on point P and, using a suitable radius, draw arcs on either side of point P to intersect the line L at points X and Y. With point X as center and a radius greater than XP, draw an arc above the line L. With point Y as center and the same radius, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at point Q. Draw line PQ. Line PQ is perpendicular to line L at point P. Now, let's learn how to construct a perpendicular to a line L through a point P not on it. First, place the compass pointer on point P and, using a suitable radius, draw arcs to intersect the line L at points X and Y. With point X as center and a radius greater than XP, draw an arc below the line L. With point Y as center and the same radius, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at point Q. Draw line PQ. Line PQ is perpendicular to line L. If you fold a sheet of paper by holding its two opposite edges together, you get a line that divides the sheet into two equal halves. You can divide a line segment too into two equal halves using a compass and a ruler. Let's see how. Let's construct the perpendicular bisector for the segment WE. Taking W as center and radius more than half the length of WE, draw arcs on both sides of WE. Keeping the radius same but taking E as center, again draw arcs on both sides of WE to intersect the previous arcs at points X and Y. Now, join points X and Y. XY intersects WE at point O. XY bisects WE. This means WO and OE are of the same length. We can also verify that line XY is perpendicular to segment WE by using a protractor. You can see that the angles XOW and XOE so formed are right angles. We have verified that line XY is the perpendicular bisector of segment WE.
I hope you have learned all the methods. Now we will move to the exercise 18B. Here is given question number 1, in which we have to draw a line segment AB with 5.3 cm length, and by using any of the two different methods to construct a bisector of the given line segment. So dear students, let us move to draw a given construction. First of all, I would like to tell you that in this construction we are going to use only the two geometrical instruments, that is ruler and compass. Here we go with the first method. We will draw a line segment of given measure 5.3 centimeters. So by taking the distance 5.3 centimeter, you have to draw a line segment. The name of segment is AB. The second step, we have to take approximate radius and to construct an angle from the point B as well as point A. So here I draw an arc. This arc I have drawn on the upside. Here from the point B I will draw an arc downside. Now by taking the suitable distance, you have to cut both the arcs from the point of intersection on AB segment. With the help of ruler, we will draw a ray passing through this point of intersection, which will join the point A and B. Here we will label this as, here is the P and here we name it as Q. We constructed an angle at the vertex B and at the vertex A in such a way that this angle and this angle is same. We name this angle as PAB and QPA. These both are of equal measure. Now we are going to take a suitable distance from the point A on the line segment AP. And with this distance we will cut an arc on the ray AP. With the same distance, we will cut another arc on the line BQ, so that we will get here another segment. Here we give the names as R and S. Now we do the last step. By taking a ruler, we will join the point R and S in such a way that it will cut the segment AB at certain point. Dear students, here this is the point O, which is cutting the segment AB in the two equal halves. Using divider, you can check distance OB and distance OA is equal or not. So here we found OA is equal to OB. It means we have bisected the segment AB in the two equal halves. So this is one of the method. Now we will go with the second method to draw a bisector to the segment AB. So first thing, we will draw a segment AB. By taking compass, we will draw a bisector to the AB. So we have to take approximately more than half distance, and with it we will construct an arc at the upside from the vertex B and at the downside from the vertex B. With the same distance, we will cut this arc from vertex A up as well as down. So here we get these 2 points. We will name them as P and Q. Let us join the vertex P and Q with the help of ruler. And the point which is intersecting the segment AB, we will name as O. Now by using divider, check the distance OB and OA is equal or not. So here we take divider. Let us place one of the point on O and the other on B. And the same we will take on O and that of A. Here we notice that this segment are of equal length. That is, OA is equal to OB. And in this way, we have solved the question number 1 of the given exercise. Dear students, complete exercise 18B by taking the context of the animated video to draw the bisectors and perpendicular bisectors.
Homework. Solve exercise 18B.